got some corn tortillas. Lay them down in your 9x13 casserole dish.
Ooh.
And you may have to break them to make them fit. Like I think this last one will cut it in half.
Oh yeah, to cover the complete bottom.
Yeah.
And a little
There we go. Now you're gonna take a pound of ground beef. We've already cooked ours. Put 6 ounces of enchilada sauce, which is half this bottle, to your hamburger meat. Okay, and take maybe a cup of Mexican cheese. Put it in with the hamburger meat.
Nice. I already smell that enchilada sauce.
Yeah. It does really
so
smell good. Get that all mixed up. And you're going to take and spoon half, don't use all of it, about half of it.
Okay.
Spoon it onto your mixture. I mean, onto your tortillas, not mixture.
Onto the base there. Okay, this is looking great.
Okay, now we're going to take some black beans. We drained them and rinsed them.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to sprinkle these on our mixture.
This is looking like a great casserole.
Yeah, it will be good.
For me and my 5 kids.
Okay, once you got that, you're going to start layering again. Get your corn tortillas. Put another layer, just press it down.
So we got that second layer on top.
Mm-hmm. Now you're going to go back to your meat mixture. And put it down. Okay, now you go with your beans again.
This is coming together real nice.
Then we are going to put our final layer.
Yeah, well that fit pretty much.
Mm-hmm. Well, let's put a little enchilada sauce on it
Oh yeah.
first. And we're just going to drizzle it over our tortillas.
I love some enchilada sauce. It's great.
Just going to spread it around on the top. Now, we're going to top it with the rest of our Mexican-style cheese. This will be a good dish.
Absolutely.
If you want to use chicken instead of the hamburger meat, you could. You do all kinds of varieties.
Yeah, all types of enchiladas.
Now we're going to bake this at 350.
For about 30 minutes, people. All right, let's take a look. Oh, wow, look at that.
It's delicious.
Man, that's some cheesy enchilada goodness.
This will be a good lunch. This smells delicious.
Ooh, we're gonna let it cool down for just a second and come back and try it. All right, let's give it a try.
Comes out of there nice.
Ooh, look at the meat. Oh, it's some meat.
There's meat in that one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Wow.
That's some good enchiladas.